Mike Foster here. Today, it's an episode of Mike Eats the Street, and we're at my namesake, Mountain Mike's. Let's eat the street. All right, the pizza's out. It looks pretty good. We got a little pepperoni, black olives, and some mushrooms. Well, let's try it. All right, here we go. Oh, that was noisy. Don't do it. Okay. Ooh, let's look at it. Look, there's the carriage. Little cheese. We're at Mountain Mike's for a Mike Eats the Street. Let's try it. Oh. Ah, that's not bad. Nice undercarriage, see it? Well, not New York style. They're not the best, but this one's creeping into the sevens. Let's see if I can wash it down with a Modelo. 7.2. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 and other socials. Till next time. Pizza.
Live life 365.
I'm already here. Good one, honey. You have a bite. Give us your review.
Delicioso.
Bye-bye. Good one, baby.